South Africa has a maths crisis, we all know that. For example, the 2014 Annual National Assessment by the Department of Education shows that the maths ability of children at public schools has worsened. No one in this country needs to be reminded of how important it is to the future of South Africa for kids to have a thorough grounding in maths and science. There are many who believe that when it comes to getting kids interested in maths and science, one can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Far too many of our youth see maths and science as obstacles and not opportunities. So what we need is to put an entirely new perspective on maths and science for our children. And this is why I have offered to head up a project to be targeted directly at children. To package it in such a way as to not only get their attention, but to hold them captivated. To show them how maths and science play such important roles in all the exciting jobs, in sport and all sorts of leisure activities. Have a look at the following video example of the kind of message this project wants to get across to our children.
I'm Leander Lacey and I'm a professional stuntman. As a stuntman, I make my money leaping off high places. While any fool can jump off something, it's only those in our land that collect a paycheck. And that's where maths comes in. Jump, I can fly. As you can see, the cliff behind me is not 100% vertical. 20 meters below the exit point, there's a ledge that sticks out 4 meters. And before I jump off, I must figure out what my trajectory is in order to miss that ledge.
Trajectory is defined as the path that a moving object follows through space as a function of time, without wind. In my case, my rate of fall is constant, and so is my motion forward. The formula to figure this out is d equals v times the square root of 2 times h over g. D is what we are trying to work out, distance traveled. V equals horizontal velocity. So if you launch at the speed of a fast trot, this would be about 2.67 meters per second. H equals height, so 20 meters to the ledge. And g equals acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second.
So if I jump 1 meter out, and after I fall 20 meters, will I be far enough away from the cliff to safely clear that ledge and open my parachute? The maths says I will. Now it's time to put the maths to the test. Yeah, love math. It worked.
The intention is to create a series of these short videos depicting various exciting applications of maths and science, and to distribute these free of charge to all stakeholders via social media, schools and commercial broadcast networks. To use every medium possible, in fact, to get the attention of our youth. For the past 3 years, I've been working as a marketing advisor to one of South Africa's longest established and most reputable maths and science learning organizations, Master Maths. This project was developed in conjunction with Master Maths, which has become its first sponsor. I believe that this project, the cost of which will be 6 million rand for the first 2 years, will appeal to those organizations and companies that rely so heavily on maths and science graduates. I am personally throwing my weight behind this project and will be happy to discuss it with you.